So on average, I spend about $35 a month on charging with electricity. And to put that in comparison, if I had a gas car, my typical monthly fuel costs would be about $95 a month. Now, this is based on mostly charging at home where electricity is cheaper. If I charge at a public charging station, the rates could be anywhere from 3 to 5 times higher.
Probably what's changed most is how much we've saved, honestly. We did the math. A comparable car to the one that we were looking at, we saved about $800 in gas money since we got this car.